Kawasaki gears up for new Z250 RS launch, with classic style and proven Z250 power. In the ever-evolving world of motorcycles, where innovation and nostalgia often race side by side, Kawasaki is once again making headlines. The Japanese manufacturer is reportedly preparing to launch an all-new Z250 RS, a retro-inspired 250 cubic centimeters motorcycle that blends timeless aesthetics with the reliability and practicality of the Z250 platform. Unlike its more aggressive ZX25 or sibling, the Z250 RS will be a celebration of classic design and everyday usability. Channeling the spirit of Kawasaki's iconic Z legacy in a more approachable form. The upcoming Z250 RS aims to capture the essence of Kawasaki's celebrated Z900 RS and Z650 RS. But on a smaller scale, perfect for urban riders, new motorcyclists, and those who simply love the vintage look without needing extreme performance. With its round LED headlamp, retro fuel tank shape, dual analog-style gauges, and signature paint schemes, the Z250 RS will speak directly to fans of classic motorcycling, while keeping modern technology discreetly hidden beneath its skin. But to fully appreciate what the Z250 RS represents, we must take a ride down memory lane, through Kawasaki's legendary Z series. From muscle-bound superbikes to nimble street fighters, the Z family is filled with icons that shape not only Kawasaki's identity but the motorcycle world as a whole. A look back, the birth of the Kawasaki Z legacy. Kawasaki's Z series was born in 1972 with the release of the Kawasaki Z1900, a revolutionary motorcycle that would change the industry forever. Designed to rival Honda's groundbreaking CB750, the Z1 came with a 4-stroke, air-cooled, 903 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a massive leap in power and sophistication at the time. It didn't just compete, it dominated, quickly earning the admiration of performance enthusiasts and becoming a cult classic. The Z1 was more than just an engineering marvel, it was a visual statement. With its teardrop tank, bold stripes, and muscular stance, it struck the perfect balance between aggression and elegance. The Z1 became the benchmark for superbikes of the 1970s, and paved the way for a dynasty. Building on that success, Kawasaki introduced a number of key models that carried the Z name forward. The Z650 and Z750 served as middleweight heroes, offering accessible performance and similar styling. Meanwhile, the Z1000, with its bigger engine and futuristic design, carried the Z torch into the late 70s and early 80s. By the 1990s and early 2000s, the Z series had evolved significantly. Models like the ZRX 1100 and ZRX 1200 are evoked nostalgia, with their Eddie Lawson-inspired liveries while delivering serious power and comfort. But it was the introduction of the Z1000, 2003, that marked a turning point. Ditching the retro look, it embraced an aggressive, street fighter aesthetic, exposed frames, angular bodywork, and an unfiltered riding experience. The modern era, Z900 RS and the return to retro. In 2018, Kawasaki shocked the motorcycle world once again, but this time by going back to its roots. The release of the Kawasaki Z900 RS brought the classic Z look roaring back to life. Based on the Z900 platform, this retro-styled naked bike featured a round headlamp, analog-inspired gauges, and a beautifully sculpted tank reminiscent of the original Z1. It was a hit, particularly with older riders who longed for a taste of their youth and younger enthusiasts seeking something unique in a sea of modern naked bikes. The Z900 RS didn't just look good, it handled well. Thanks to its modern suspension, brakes, and electronics, Kawasaki had effectively proven that retro didn't have to mean outdated. Following that success, the Z250 RS was introduced, aimed at riders looking for something lighter and more manageable. It took the same vintage cues and applied them to a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin platform, making it a fan favorite among those who appreciated style and sensibility in one package. The Kawasaki Z250, a compact warrior with a bold soul. While the high-capacity Z models grabbed headlines, the Kawasaki Z250 quietly built its own reputation, especially in Asia and emerging markets. First launched in 2013, the Z250 was Kawasaki's answer to the growing demand for entry-level naked bikes that didn't compromise on looks or build quality. Powered by a 249 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, shared with the Ninja 250, the Z250 delivered smooth, predictable power, ideal for beginners and urban riders. Its lightweight chassis and upright riding position made it perfect for navigating traffic and tight city streets. While its aggressive styling borrowed heavily from the Z800 and Z1000, giving it the appearance of a much larger machine. Over the years, the Z250 received updates in styling, fuel injection, and ergonomics, though its engine architecture remained largely unchanged. It maintained a balance of efficiency, reliability, and sporty character, a rare combination in the entry-level category. The Z250 became a trusted companion for riders making their way up the displacement ladder. Now, with the announcement of the Z250 RS, Kawasaki appears ready to offer an entirely new flavor of 250 cubic centimeters motorcycling. Combining the tried-and-true mechanical platform of the Z250 with the retro magic of the RS styling language. It's a bold move, aimed squarely at riders who want the best of both worlds. Stay tuned for more exciting news about the future of technology, only on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.